So we have a problem. It's very hard to open the door and very hard to close the door. As you can see, it doesn't want to close. And the problem, I guess it's because of a lower hinge. There is a recall on some years, but this one I checked, there are no recalls. So now we're gonna remove this nut, this bolt, and we're gonna take out the hinge. But before we're gonna do it, we're gonna put a support that is gonna hold the door. Or I'm gonna ask my friend to hold it. I got a new hinge at the dealership, was $145. So now we're gonna remove the old one and we're gonna replace it with the new one. And after we're gonna check what size is the bolt. It looks like 12 in the bolt. So my friend is gonna hold the door. I'm gonna remove. Lower nut is removed. Now we're gonna remove upper nut. Now we're gonna loosen this bolt right there and this one. It's also 13mm socket. Now we're gonna take it out. The lower one, the socket doesn't fit, so we can use a wrench key like this. This is my favorite, Suzumi. Let's go. This is why I like them. They fit almost everywhere. Just look how easy it is to work with them. Even upper one. It gives you a lot of clearance. So the upper bolt is removed. Now we're gonna take out the lower one. So we raised it up the door. Now I'm gonna remove the old bracket right here. Wait, not too much, not too much. And now we're gonna install the new one. Oh, hold it. So this is how a new one goes. Lower it, lower, more, like this. Good. So now we're gonna install back the nuts and both bolts. So this is our first nut. This is our second nut. Close it a little bit. So we're gonna tighten, but not all the way. We're gonna align, before tightening all the way, we're gonna align the door first. So now we need just to add them close. And after we're gonna do alignment for the door to make sure the alignment is good. And after we're gonna tighten our older hinge that is stuck. You barely can move it. This is our new hinge. The upper one is good. The problem was just in the lower one. After alignment is done, make sure it closes properly. It should stay the same level at the second door. As you can see, they're both aligned. Now we can tighten. Now we can go inside and we can tighten all 4 bolts, 2 bolts and 2 nuts all the way to make sure it's sitting properly. 13mm socket. So we have 2 nuts and 2 bolts. Look at this. Look how easy it's opening now and how easy it's closing. You don't need to force it at all.